Guys, today I'm going to come up with this trading for beginners. When it comes to trading for beginners, right, there's lots of videos out there for you to learn step by steps into it. But do you remember about time is very important. Today, this series, I'm going to ensure you that in 10 minutes of your time, you can know how to start trading, making profit in cryptocurrencies, futures tradings. So stay tuned until the end. You'll know what type of strategy you need and how can you start trading it. So when it comes into trading worlds, some people say, hey, I can see some make great profit, maybe some they make losses too. But how can I stay away from that? Lots of people here, they prefer on daily trading, like day scalper. Keep trading, make a small profits. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, I would say a bit different here. By making a great profit in cryptos, you need to know that we don't focus on day trading, we focus on mid-long-term trading. One trades can cover for 3 days, 5 days, or even 1 week. For one trades, or even some of them, right, they can have one single order for 3 months and they make so much money. I still remember one of my students, I don't want to say his name, but somehow he started with only $2,000 in 2021, and maximum he made during that 6 months, he made up to 700,000. Yes, that is the outcome that he got it because of the bull market. And I wanted to tell you the secret of it is only having one single trade in coin futures. And that's where he make this profit. So don't underestimate trading. As long as when it comes to tradings and cryptocurrency, both of this, you need to understand the concept about you don't need day trading. You only need to find good entry price, do a good management, at the same time have a correct mindset to tell you that how do you hold these trades, how do you increase it, how do you reduce your margin size, so that from there you are gonna generally make a great profit. I'm going to share with you later how can I get started by coming up with TradingView first. You know how to register TradingView, know how to look at slightly some charts. Secondly, you need to open your exchange account. Today I'm going to cover BingX, one of the leading exchange in the world, and you can just go to a description there, you can click the link and register. The link that you register, you have additional bonuses. And number 3, of course you need money to get started. That's all. You only need to know this trading. I'm going to walk through with you from 0 to hundreds. How do you get started? How do you equip with the correct strategies? How do you use these strategies anytime, anywhere? You can make these trades and you can make the profit you want. Okay, let's go right now. When it comes to trading, right, the first website you need to know is TradingView. This is where you look at charts, you know when is entry, when is exit. This is the simplest and the best website you need to access. If not, it is hard for you to trade without TradingView, isn't it? Okay, first thing here, you go to tradingview.com. Then after that, you go to search button here, you type Bitcoin, BTC USDT. The first one, you can see the first one is always in Binance. Then after that, you'll see what happened. You can see the price of it, you can see the charts, every single thing. Today, I'm going to give you a very simple way by just one step, you know how to do it. First, you need to change it to a candle. Secondly, today I'm going to teach you one of the strategy named 029. And this strategy that I modified it, that going to tells you when is the best time for you to go for entry and when is the best time for you to go for exit. It's already giving you a signal, which means that when you set an alert for this signal, when you receive the alert, then you go to make the entry, either go for long or short. When you go for long, which means you buy up. It goes up, you make money. But when you go for short, which means it goes down, you make money. That is where you need to understand the terms first. Then, second website you need to know is, of course, you need to have an exchange to start to make trading, isn't it? There's a lot of exchange in the world. There's Binance, Bybit, there's a BitGet, there is BingX. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of it called BingX. Go to the description here and click the BingX referral link. There will be additional bonuses for you by using the link itself. Then after that, when you access into BingX here, the third thing you need to do is you need to equip yourself. You need to have a USDT inside your account. Okay, you need to buy some USDT. For example, you can go to P2P trading and look for someone that sells USDT. But it depends on where you are. Okay, if you say I'm from Malaysia, you can buy from them. These are from Malaysia because I'm from Malaysia. But if you say that, hey David, I'm not from Malaysia, I'm from Dubai. These are the sellers that sell USDT in Dubai. You can just buy from them too. Or else, where do you want to buy from? You can buy, like, for example, BingX is not open for SGD. If it's Australia, AUD, okay, they are the seller for Australia too. Okay, that is where you buy your USDT, which means that you reload your money into the account so that you can use this money to trade. You can start from $100, $500 or even 1,000, doesn't matter. As long as you get started, it's good enough. Got it? Today I'm going to cover is about derivative. Derivative, which means that we are going for perpetual trading. Okay, derivative USD perpetual futures, which means we are going for long and short with leverage. Okay, this is the screen that you can see that how can I make trading here. It is not so hard. First of all, you just need to understand that you're trading with Bitcoin USDT charts. then you need to ensure that your leverage is good enough. You can go for 10x, you can go for 5x. Today I will give you a simple way by not using cross margin. We are using isolated margin, a simple one. Okay, then we go for 10x leverage, which means that, right, Bitcoin go up 1%, you make additional 10% from your capital, because it 10x your margin size. When you go for isolated, which means if you put in $10 for this trade, basically you only were going to lose $10 only. Okay, after you reload into BingX.com, after you buy your crypto, you need to make sure that you transfer, because in BingX itself, there's a lot of account. There's funds account, there's futures account, there's USDT and futures account. Okay, all this account is in your same account. You just internal transfer to make sure that this money, you want it to be in this USDT and perpetual for you to make trading in here. But if you say that I want to buy spot, I want to buy Bitcoin by using this USDT, no problem, then you just leave it to fund account. Got it? You need to make sure that you transfer your USDT into this derivative account. Then afterwards, you can see there's a balance here already. So we already know that right now, okay, David, I know I need a BingX to get started. I already know Bitcoin USDT, but when to buy, how to buy, what strategy, what signal can I get to make trading? The only key point is when. When do you make an entry long or short? So today I already prepared for you one of the strategy named Algo Plus 029. Just go to description there, find the link itself, add these strategies into your trading wheel. How do I add it? Let me show you here first. So basically, right, you can go to description here, you can see there is a trading indicator and there is trading strategy for this Algo Plus 029. You can just click this link here and basically you can see this indicator. So once you see this indicator, what you need to do is add this indicator into your favorites. So once you add this indicator into your favorites, right, then you can straight away go to your trading view indicator here. You can see there's a button here. You type Algo Plus 029 version 2 indicator and you click it. So once you click it, right, this is what you see. You'll see there's a sell button, there is a buy button. When the button shows up, then you just go for long or go for short. It's very simple. But you need to make sure that this chart must be Bitcoin USDT 30-minute charts. What do you mean by 30 minutes? 30 minutes means every single candle is 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the strategy. Then how do you make profit for these strategies? So right now you see there's a sell button, which means it's time for you to short. And you can see this is August 2nd, 11 o'clock 23. So when I see there is a signal here, what you need to do? Let me show you one of the example here. When there's a signal here, right, it tells you that it's already confirmed. Then here is where you're going to make your short first. Then where's your stop loss? You need to understand that when every time you trade, right, we can't be just leaving the trade run it itself. We need to have a stop loss to prevent for further losses. And every time we make the trades, right, we need to know that the profit you make have to be more than your stop loss, because from there you can make even more profit than losses. Then afterwards, when it comes to here, you make a short. Where's your stop loss? Your stop loss is your previous swing high, and this is your stop loss. 3.7%, because a previous last three candle, highest candle here is 3.7%. Okay, then where is your profit? Your profit is 1 to 1.5, which means that when you make a trade here today, you need to understand that the loss you can maximum take 3.7%, but the profit you can make 1.5 extra, which means 50% extra. So how can I know where's the place for you to take profit? You can see that in here, right, there's a risk and reward ratio 0.59, right? I just put it until 1.5. Done. So here in 2nd of August, I make a trade with a stop loss of 65,458 and my entry short at 63,135 and my take profit is at 59,609. That's all. So when the alert shows you, you just put in your order. How can I put in order when there's an alert showed you? Very easy. When there's an alert, you can just go into BingX, then you just make an entry. Like for example, what is the size you want? You can choose the price you want, put in the order price. Like for example, the entry price is at 63,135. Okay, and then what is the size of it? Okay, the size of it can be like 0.01 Bitcoin. Okay, when you put 0.01 Bitcoin, right, you can see your margin size is $63, which means you're using $63 for this bet. Okay, if you liquidate the account, which means that if it's fluctuate more than 10% without stop loss, you are maximum going to lose $63 only. Okay, but if you put stop loss, it's another story. Okay, where is the stop loss? I can just tick it here. Okay, I click here, don't remind. Then you put a take profit and stop loss. Where is our take profit and stop loss? Take profit should be at 59,006. Okay, 59,006 is your take profit. Okay, and then your stop loss should be at 65,468. So that is where you set your take profit and stop loss. Then remember, when there's a short signal, this is a sell signal, which means you go for short. Done. Confirm. Once you confirm, right, the order is ready made. But I'm using a limit order, which means that currently, of course, I'm not at 2nd of August right now, so I couldn't get entry because I limit an order when the price touches 63,000, only I'll get to go in. But right now the price is 57,000, so basically I couldn't get to go in yet. So this trade is not yet open. But during that time, 2nd of August, the price is somewhere around there. So don't worry about it. You can just go in, that time is that price. Then how can I know the result? The result you can see just after how long is it? 2nd of August until 4th of August at around 11 o'clock. It takes around 2 days, you already make this profit. Because the price went down, touches your take profit, congratulations. You make a 5.54% profit. Got it? So this is where you trade. But when I say when, what do you mean when? When is about, you need to know when is a good time for you to make trading. Like for example, when you go for a long trade here. Okay, go for buy, long trade. Where's your stop loss? Your stop loss should be your previous swing low. Previous swing low is here. And then 1 to 1.5. Okay, done. Got it? So second trade, you make a profit. This trade, you're going to make at July 26, you make a good profit. Then after that, you can see there's a sell signal here too. So when the signal comes, you go for a short, previous swing high, and 1 to 1.5. Done. You make another profit here too. Okay, another profit here too. So you can see when signal come, you go for short. When signal come, you go for long. I give you another example here. When you go for a short here, okay, stop loss should be a previous swing high, 1 to 1.5. So done. Here, 1 to 1.5. The price went down and touches it, and you make that profit. Isn't it very easy? So just 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades, and 4 trade easily done by just doing this way. The signal is already given to you. You need to know that a strategy is very important. This indicator is very important. Right now, this indicator is still free of charge. If you want it, just go to the description there and click it and add it into it. But when I make tradings, right, I can't be like every time sitting in front of the computer, keep making trade or waiting for the signal, right? What you can do is about adding an alert. For TradingView account, right, if yours is standard registration paid account, they allow you to add 2 signal. Let's say, I'll go plus 029. Version 2 indicator. Okay, when you add this indicator, right, when you see there's a sell button here, okay, you just right click there, you can see add alert, which means it is going to tell you that when there is a signal, it is going to notify you by sending the notification to your phone, to your email. It depends on what do you want. Okay, for example, when you add alert, there's a long signal and short signal. Make sure that you add both of this one, and then you click on this once per bar close. How do you do it? When you add alert, you click short signal and click one time, then add another alert again, long signal, once per bar close, and another again. And make sure that your notifications, it can be notification in apps, show notifications, send you email, everything. You can just send it to your email so that it notifies you when the signal comes out. David, can I make it automate? Of course you can by using webhook, but that is another story. So this is what I want to cover to you, is about when do you can get started in trading and when do you make an entry and exit. That's where it comes to, this is the trade that you need to make. Got it? So today, trading for beginners, for this series, I just want to share with you about, you just can learn this trading for very fast and straightforward. Remember, in order to make a long-term profit, I would say that practice makes perfect. You need to have a very accurate strategy like what I'm giving to you. I'll be keep on releasing more strategies for you to have more entry price and exit price. The key of making profit is always get started first. Don't think too much. Get started yourself, and can tell you that when you see the profits, you can start to enjoy and you can start to understand that actually trading isn't so hard. Everyone can make profit everywhere in the world. Subscribe me more. I will ensure you that in your trading pathway, it is going to be so much smoother. Thank you.